Hello viewers, in this video I will teach you a very important topic, how to find out the coil windings of a stepper motor. Here you are looking at a bipolar stepper motor. A bipolar stepper motor has 4 wires, that means inside this motor there are 2 separate coils. Now the question is, why do we need to find out the coil windings? Because it is very important when we connect the motor to a stepper motor driver like this one. Here you can see there is mentioned A plus, A minus and B plus, B minus. You can ignore the plus and minus polarity for now. For basic connection, polarity does not matter. What really matters is that one full coil must connect to A and the other full coil must connect to B. If we mix the wire from different coils, the motor will not rotate properly. It may just vibrate or make noise. So it is very important to identify the correct coil pairs. Today I will show you 2 methods to find out the coil windings. The first method is using a multimeter. This is the smart and accurate way. And the second method is a shortcut method. We don't need any tools for that. I will show it later. First, let's use the multimeter. We need to set the multimeter to continuity mode. That means if we touch these 2 probes, the meter will beep. Now I will connect one probe to any one wire. Then with the other probe I will touch the remaining 3 wires one by one. Let's see. Okay. Among these 3 wires, when the multimeter beeps, that means these 2 wires belong to the same coil. Look again. I touches one probe here, and when I touch the rest 3 wires, only for these wires the meter is beeping. That means these 2 wires belongs same coil. And this also means that the remaining 2 wires will automatically the second coil, but I will test it. If I just connect the 2 probe with these 2 wires, it also beeps. That means these 2 wires belongs to one coil and these 2 wires belongs to the another coil. And that's how we can easily find out the 2 coils of a bipolar stepper motor using a multimeter. Now let's see the second method. This method does not require any multimeter. Normally, if I rotate the motor shaft by hand, you can see it rotates freely. Now I will take any 2 wires and short them together. Suppose the green and the yellow. Okay, I touches them, make them short. Now if I rotate the shaft again, it's rotate like previous freely. Now I will touch the yellow wire with the red one, and now if I rotate the shaft, it also rotate freely. And now if I touches the rest wire, that means the blue wire with the yellow one, and now if I want to rotate, it's rotate but it looks like it got jammed. When we find the correct pair, you will clearly feel that the motor is not rotating freely anymore. That means these 2 wires belong to one coil. Now if I remove all the wires and keep them free, it will rotate again freely. And if I touches the coils, then it slightly jammed and feels tight. And that means these 2 wires belongs to the same coil. And if I do the same thing for the rest 2 wires, I touches them together and try to rotate it, it looks it's got jammed. And if I just free the wires, then it will again freely. This is a very simple and quick method to identify the coil windings without using any tools. So this is how you can quickly and easily identify the coil wires of a stepper motor. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.